Angel number 4444 means that you are surrounded and protected by your guardian angels as you navigate your spiritual path. There is so much positive spiritual energy swirling around you now. This number brings a powerful message to various areas of your personal life. This angel number is a strong sign that you should focus on stability, focus and faith in the future. You must build a stable and positive mindset that will help you endure the rough patches and maintain your focus on what really matters in life. This angel number is also a symbol of true and long-lasting love, so continue to put effort into your relationships with others as well as yourself. Keep your head up even through the tough times, because your guardian angels are always with you. What does this mean for manifesting? For manifesting, angel number 4444 means that you are surrounded by positive spiritual energy, which can help you to manifest your desires more quickly and easily. This number is a symbol of strong spiritual vibrations, so it is important to stay focused on your goals. Maintain a positive mindset even during challenging times. Additionally, 4444 may also be a sign that you should nurture your relationships with others as well. This is the fastest way to get the law of attraction to work for you now. Furthermore, you must be vigilant and avoid inviting negative people into your life, as they can drain your positive energy and hinder your attempts at manifestation. With the help of this powerful angel number, you are sure to be able to manifest anything that you desire. Just stay focused on your goals and keep good company around you, and the positive vibrations are sure to come. What does this mean for love? If you are single, angel number 4444 means that even though you've had rough patches in love before, your time is coming for true, long-lasting love and a stable future. The number is a powerful message full of spiritual significance. Divine energy is bringing you someone who is perfect for you. You will match on spiritual vibration as well as harmoniously balance your air, fire, water, and earth energies. In fact, someone from your past may pop back into your life soon. This time, it would be wise to give them a second chance. If you feel that the person you were once involved with has changed for the better, go ahead and work through things with them. If they have indeed changed, then it is possible that you may be able to have a stable, long-lasting relationship with this person in the future. Sometimes a period of separation can bring two people closer together. This angel number is the ultimate symbol of balance. So you may find that you match each other better than before. What does this mean for twin flames? For twin flames and twin souls, angel number 4444 is a strong sign that everything is happening at proper timing. Sometimes things can feel a bit off balance for you. It can be hard to have faith when things don't seem to be going exactly your way. But now, rest assured that you and your twin flame are going to be on the same path soon. If you do not yet know your twin flame, then be assured that you have the chance to meet them soon. But you must set the wheels in motion for yourself to let the universe know that you are serious. What does this mean for pregnancy? If you are already pregnant, angel number 4444 represents a healthy pregnancy and a safe delivery. This is a powerful sign that the divine and your guardian angels are watching over you and supporting you in every way during this special time. And if you are trying to conceive, There is no better time than now to focus on your fertility and positive mindset. With the help of this supportive angel number, you can create the perfect conditions for conception and healthy pregnancy. So trust in yourself, your body, and the process. Everything is happening exactly as it should. What does this mean for your career? If you have been thinking about making a change in your career, angel number 4444 is a clear sign that this is the right time to do so. Perhaps you have been feeling stuck or uninspired in your current job, and are seeking something more fulfilling and aligned with who you truly are. You may be considering a major career transition, like starting your own business or going back to school for further training. No matter what your career goals are, know that the universe is supporting you in making this change. With hard work and dedication, you can manifest your dream job or business. So trust your intuition, and take action towards your goals. The time is now. What does this mean for spirituality? For spiritual growth, angel number 4444 means that you need to find grounding and stability in your life. This can be a time of major growth and transformation, but it's important to stay centered and focused on your goals. Be patient with yourself as you navigate this new terrain, and trust that everything is happening for your highest good. You may find it helpful to connect with like-minded people or join a spiritual community to support your journey. And most importantly, stay positive and open to all the new possibilities that are coming your way. The main thing that will help you on your spiritual path is consistency. Now, you might be questioning your spirituality, or you might feel like you've lost your connection to the divine. This is a time to recommit to your spiritual practice and connect with your higher power on a daily basis. This can be anything from meditation to reading spiritual texts or even just spending time in nature. Anything that raises your vibration and energetic frequency will align you with your truest self. And this will bring you closer to manifesting your greatest dreams and desires. What does this mean for money? When it comes to your money, the number 4444 means that you need to focus on manifesting abundance and prosperity in your life. The biggest thing to note, now, is that you must be relentless about your mindset. Start paying close attention to all of the abundance you do have in your life. From here, it's so much easier to attract more your way. You can do this by starting, or adding to, a gratitude practice. Every day, make it a point to list out everything you're grateful for in your life. No matter how big or small. The more specific, the better. This simple act will help to retrain your brain to focus on abundance, and not lack. And as you focus on abundance, more will come your way. So trust the process and have faith in yourself. You are worthy of abundant living. Overall, angel number 4444 implies that you are surrounded and safeguarded by your guardian angels while pursuing your spiritual path. There is so much good spiritual energy swirling around you at the moment. This number has a very strong message for several aspects of your personal life. And it means that your life is going to look very different in the near future. So take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay focused on your goals and dreams. And know that you are safe, you are protected. And you are loved.